Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got hold some new problem which says if the variance of first n natural number is 10. So, they have already given you the variance of first n natural number. So, look at this how we will solve. So, variance is what? Sum of square of all the elements. So, it is 1 square plus 2 square plus dot 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 plus n square. So, sum of square of all the elements divided by n minus mean square. So 1 plus 2 plus dot 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 plus n by n, and then we have to do square. Okay, now so sum of square of n natural number is what? N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6n minus n into n plus 1 by 2n whole square. So according to us variance is this, but according to them variance is 10. Now do the simplification. This thing on, this thing on. Now can I take n plus 1 by 2 common? We will be left with 2n plus 1 by 3 minus n plus 1 by 2 equals 10. So we got n plus 1, then we have 4n plus 2 minus 3n minus 3. This is 6, 2s are 12, so it is 120. Okay, now it is n plus 1, n minus 1. So it is n square minus 1 equals 120. So n square equals 121. So n equals to what? 11. So we got our n. Now look at this. And the variance of first m even natural number is 16. So they are saying that the variance of first m even natural number is 26. So can I write this number? So it is 2, 4, 6, 8 dot 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 and then 2m. So its variance is what? 16. Now be super slow. Suppose that I will divide all the elements by a certain number. What impact will it create on the variance? Means we should divide variance by that number square, correct? So suppose that we have to divide all the elements by 2, so it will become what? This. Okay, so if you divide by 2, you have to divide variance by, so variance at that stage will become, you have to divide by 4. So this is your variance. Okay, so if, look at this, if it was n, the variance was, if it was, the number of elements was by 12. Wait, look what I will explain, try to understand. The idea is, you know that on the left hand, on the right hand side was 10, 10, 10, 10, 10 all the time. Suppose this 12 is written on the left hand side, this means n square minus 1 by 12 equals to 10. So variance is this now. Okay, so suppose if the number of elements is n, the variance is this. If the number of elements is m, the variance will become what? M square minus 1 by 12. Okay, so according to us, the variance of these elements will be this, but according to them variance is 4. So can I write m square as 48 plus 1, 49? So m will be what? 7 if we will talk about a natural number. Okay, so you can find out m plus n as 18. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in next session of Mathflix.